You're watching Fox 47 News at 10. Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Claire, heavy winds starting to pick up tonight, and these potentially can be dangerous.
Yeah, as we head towards the day on Sunday, we're definitely going to be seeing some dangerous winds, and like you're saying, they're already starting to pick up for tonight. Here's a live look outside the satellite and radar. We do see a few light rain showers moving through the region right now, and maybe even a few heavier pockets of rain just to the south of Kalamazoo. That's what all we're really going to be seeing for tonight. This rain will continue pretty much until about Sunday morning, but the real story is going to be the winds, which we'll talk about in just a second. Now, the reason why we're going to be seeing such winds is actually an area of low pressure, rather strong one, just off to our west. Will basically cross through the state tomorrow morning, bringing with it not only a little bit of colder air, so we'll see that rain change over to snow, but the winds going to be the main concern. They could gust as high as 50 miles an hour at times tomorrow. So your future track as we go hour by hour, do expect to see at least a few heavy downpours and maybe even a few rumbles of thunder as we go overnight. That rain will continue at least until Sunday morning. After that, colder air moves in and we'll start to see that rain transition over to snow late on Sunday morning. That will carry over into Sunday afternoon. From there, we'll see some light snow showers last off and on pretty much throughout the entire day tomorrow. The snow is not really expected to be much, maybe about an inch at most. A few locations may not see much more than a dusting as we go throughout the day on Sunday before that clears out into the day on Monday. The real story, though, like we were saying, is going to be the winds. We are expecting winds to increase as we go overnight, anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles an hour tonight. They will increase anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour as soon as Sunday morning. They will increase further anywhere from 35 to nearly 40 mile per hour. And again, these are your predicted sustained winds as we go through the day tomorrow. Predicted sustained winds about 38 miles both in Mason and Jackson, near 40 miles an hour down in Hillsdale and Coldwater. These will only really stick around pretty much throughout the entire day on Sunday. We never really see a break from these very strong gusty winds until at least Monday morning. Now, on top of that, predicted wind gusts are going to be even greater. We're expecting to see predicted wind gusts of over 40 miles an hour by noontime tomorrow. Could see predicted wind gusts that get as high as 50 miles an hour at times. The strongest winds will likely come through late Sunday afternoon and into Sunday evening. That's the best chance to see those 50 mile per hour wind gusts, but still pretty much throughout the entire day tomorrow we're going to see those winds. Wind gusts this strong or this high, we could see power outages or down tree lines and down power lines that will lead to power outages. So those are likely for tomorrow, and travel will also be difficult, especially if you're driving a high profile vehicle. You'll just want to watch out on those north to south oriented roads. With wind gusts this strong, it will make driving very difficult, so you'll likely have to slow down. If you don't have to be outside at all for tomorrow, it's just probably a better day to stay inside and just kind of wait until these winds will start to calm down. That won't occur until Monday morning. We do have a high wind warning in effect for all areas shaded in this light yellow color. That begins at 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. It will last until 7 a.m. on Monday morning. Again, with wind gusts now around 50 miles an hour, we could see multiple power outages as well as difficult travel. So it's just a good idea to stay inside tomorrow if you don't have to be out and about. For tonight, expect temperatures to hover right around the upper 30s. We will see rain and even a few rumbles of thunder with those winds picking up. For tomorrow, we'll start off with temperatures in the 40s, but they cool down pretty quickly into the 30s by the afternoon. Strong winds going to be the main concern. We'll see rain transition over to light snow in the afternoon. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. For tomorrow, just be prepared for it to be very windy, and also just be prepared in case your power goes out. We should see quiet weather return on Monday, but it will be much colder with highs only reaching into the 20s. Tuesday night into Wednesday, we do see some light snow, but it's not going to be much, maybe a couple inches at the absolute most. And we'll see another round of snow late on Saturday of next week. But for tomorrow, again, just be prepared in case the power goes out. Those winds will be howling pretty much all day long.
And I think you gave really good advice. Just stay inside.
Yeah, if you don't have to be out, just stay inside.
Claire, thank you very much.